Hi, I'm Taeyeon, and welcome to 123 Kimchi. As a Korean cuisine specialist, I bring the flavors of Korea to audiences across Europe in my professional work. And through this channel, I share them with the viewers everywhere. And this year, I was honored to be appointed as a Global Kimchi Ambassador by the World Institute of Kimchi. Through 123 Kimchi, I'll show you how to kimchi local seasonal vegetables wherever you are. These are some of the jars I made recently: white asparagus, basil, onion, fennel, and each one of them has its own flavor, and you can see how seasonal vegetables can all become kimchi. I focus on small batch recipes that combines authentic techniques, natural ingredients, and vegetables in peak season. I'll also share the cultural and scientific context behind kimchi, answers and tips to common questions, and some fun troubleshootings along the way. If you could kimchi any vegetable in the world, what would it be? Leave your ideas in the comments, and maybe your suggestion will be in the next video. Subscribe and let's make something delicious together. And as always, enjoy the process and happy kimchi making!